what's up guys, it's DZ here. We're going to take a quick look at the Syma X5HW. First thing I want to tell you guys about this before we take a first look at it is it does not have altitude hold. So if you're one of those people that cannot live without altitude hold, this is probably not one of the drones for you. With that being said, let's get to the first look. Comes with your controller here, 2.4 gigahertz. Like I said before, has no altitude, all manual. The sticks on this are just a little bit sloppy, not too bad. If you have a jumper or a QX7 with the module in it, with the multi-protocol module in it, you could probably more than likely bind to this and have a much better controller. But I mean, for the price, you know, cheaper controller was pretty decent. More than likely it's a fake antenna as well. Then you have the X5HW. It's not a very big drone. Wasn't expecting much, you know, more than this size drone, because this is not one of the bigger ones. It comes with, which was strange, it even shows on the box that it has white prop guards. But I don't believe in the picture that I saw when I bought it that it came with white prop guards. Kind of strange. It's pretty much way different. And it comes with your camera, plug and play camera. This is not a very majorly awesome camera. It is only 640, kind of like it's 480p, my bad. 640 by 480p. This kind of reminds me of the camera that is on the DM009. This is close to the same camera. I mean, it looks just like it almost. 2 batteries. Comes with let's see what size of these batteries. Man, I can't even read them. Let's see. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can read it as well. There we go. 500 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts. LiPo batteries. Comes with 2 of them. It comes with the clip for your cell phone for FPV. You can also FPV these through your VR goggles that your phone will slide into. Clippity clip. Set of extra props, which is always freaking awesome. Extra props rock. Then you have your landing gear, screwdriver, charger, for your LiPos, of course. Now I've got like 10 of these with that same connector on them. But pretty much that's it, guys. You got your instruction guide. Inside here, there's actually a 20% off your next purchase coupon code. And that's pretty much all that's in this. As soon as I get a chance, you guys, I will do a flight tested review, and I will post the price down in the links in the description to the price. Boy, I just messed that one all up. I think it's time for me to go to bed for real. Anyway, when I do the review video, I'll always post the purchase link down in the description. Appreciate you guys. Love all of you very much. This is DZ. You know who I am. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my boy J Drone's channel and his Facebook page. And if you're not a member of my Facebook page, it's down in the description. Get your butt over there. We have a lot of fun. Later.